How can I reset my voicemail password?
Hello there. In today's video, we are going to learn about how to reset your voicemail password. This is a common issue that many of us face, but don't worry, it's a quick and easy process once you know how to do it.
Why might you need to reset your voicemail password?
To begin with, let's understand why you might need to reset your voicemail password. Forgetting passwords is a normal part of our digital lives. Maybe you forgot your voicemail password, or perhaps you just want to change it for security reasons. Whatever the reason may be, resetting your voicemail password is a handy skill to have.
Resetting voicemail password for an iPhone.
If you're an iPhone user, follow these steps. 1. Open the phone app and tap on the Voicemail tab located at the bottom right corner of your screen. 2. You will see a Set Up Now option if you haven't set up your voicemail yet. If you have, tap on Change Password. 3. Enter your new password and remember to confirm it. It has to be 4 to 6 digits long. 4. Once done, just tap on Done.
Resetting voicemail password for Android devices.
For Android users, the process may vary slightly depending on your carrier, but here are the general steps. 1. Open the phone app and press the Voicemail tab. 2. If you see a setup option, follow those steps to set up your voicemail. If not, look for a Settings or Options menu where you can change or reset your password. 3. Enter your new password, confirm it, and save the changes.
Resetting your voicemail password through your carrier.
If you're unable to reset your voicemail password through your phone's settings, don't worry. You can also do this through your carrier's website or customer service. Here's a general guideline. 1. Find your carrier's customer service number or website. 2. Follow the prompts or instructions for voicemail-related inquiries. 3. You might have to verify your identity. So, keep some identification or account details handy. 4. Follow the instructions to reset your voicemail password. Remember, the exact process may vary, so it's best to check your carrier's specific instructions. And that's it. We've covered the basics of how to reset your voicemail password on both iPhone and Android devices, as well as through your carrier. It's a simple process, but a very important one. If you ever forget your password, now you'll know exactly what to do. We hope this video has been helpful, and remember, always keep your passwords safe and secure.